Hello everybody, how you doing? Welcome to a live stream, random live stream. If you're watching this not live, enjoy the preview, overview, review. I don't know what to say. You know what I mean. Hope you have a nice day so far. Hope the day is gonna continue being nice. So while we are waiting for Bitcoin to do something, exciting, we can look at what's happening everywhere else in the world. On the charts. Is it good? Is it bad? Let's go up here. Let's go there. What's happening everywhere else in the world? Let's do this and let's shield a little bit the link to the people, right? People gotta know. People gotta know. There we go. There we go. Hey Blake Sniper, what's up? What's up? Not much. Kishan, hey man, how you doing? 3 likes. That should be the first thing you do. Let's see here. Can you please press the like button? Yes, sir. Of course. For support. Support. Always do. It is not hard, isn't it? There we go. Yeah, I got work on this Saturday, but it'll be all right. I don't mind it. Take Monday off. Guys. So what are we gonna look at first now? Are we gonna just wait for Bitcoin to do something special? I don't think it's doing anything special right now. I can look at tech analysis on Movie Block. What's Movie Block? Don't think I ever heard about Movie Block. By the way, how's JSM Coin doing so far? 44. So it is still up 59 in the last 24 hours. Ape is at 1643 and new color vision. Yeah, we don't need color vision up here. This is just consolidating up here around 13, 14. Ape Coin. Are we bullish on BTC long term? Long term, I cannot say that just yet. Right now, we need to see this breakout. It depends also on how long term, like 4 years, 10 years, sure. But, short term, not quite sure. Let's check Movie Block. I don't know what Movie Block is. This is only on up a bit versus, key RV. I don't know what key RV is. Key RV, what kind of currency is Key RV? Key RV USD. Yeah, Korean won. How much is that? 1 Korean won is 0.003. Doesn't matter. It's Korean won. Feels nice, a bump towards upside. This is a weekly time frame. It is, up like 135% above the moving average. This looks nice. It is breaking the trend up here, so technically it's okay. The moon pump is real. The moon pump is real. Smash the like button for the moonshot all season. Well, if you want this to pump, you gotta smash the like button. BTC is back in green today, 0.03% in green right now. If you go to the daily time frame, you'll see that the candle is actually green. See this green candle up here? It's green, so we are in green right now. It's not doing anything much, it's just kind of standing here waiting. It's trading on Binance, trading USDT. Is it on Binance? Trade advanced. Can you just press advanced? And yeah, I think they changed this a little bit up here. No, they didn't. Movie Block. It's not on Binance. I cannot find the Binance. RSR, please. RSR. What's happening with RSR? Long time since I looked at this. Oh, it broke the downtrend. So it is getting up now. It needs to get above this level up here. That's above 14. Maybe if it can get above 14 up here, I would say above this 15 moving average up here, then we might see some nice move towards the upside. Overall, it is in downtrend, especially if you look at on weekly time frame. This has just been bleeding, you know, like hell towards downside. See here on the weekly time frame, you still haven't broken this resistance, so it needs to break the resistance to continue. So technically still in downtrend. Technically still in downtrend. It was nice pump, but still in downtrend, unfortunately. Ilyas, the first green name in the chat. How you doing, man? Looks like there were only 2 cycles till now for Bitcoin. If you copy first cycle, then second cycle just took much time. My man here just needs lines. Lines are alpha and omega in tech analysis, like trends, it goes up, it goes down. You break the trend, you break the, you know, structure. You don't break the trend, you continue in whichever trend you are in, you know. It's all about trends, guys. EMX is up 20% today. Everything can be, you know, big time towards the upside. This doesn't have that much EMX. Probably should be some, maybe what's EMX. It's just bleeding forever. Let's try to find EMX USD. Don't have enough data for this. Hobby maybe, yeah. So this is still in downtrend. Even if you pull something like this up here, this looks like a breakout, but it needs to get above this 10 moving average. So, you know, it did pump, you know, last week a lot. How much is it? How much is this pump up here? Altogether like 67%, but you know, every coin right now is doing big pumps, 20-30%. Even Jasmine like did insane pumps, but the coins that go most down, they have the biggest, you know, recoil pumps towards the upside. But this doesn't matter because these pumps over here rarely get, you know, cross it. So we might see something like this and then break it. You need to break the trend. Right now trend is going towards the upside. We need to break this towards the upside. XRP legend. Yeah, why not, man? XRP was looking bullish. It's still looking okay-ish. See here, it is creating high. It is doing nicely. Oh, this XRP is going towards the upside, guys. XRP is looking to, you know, do the move. We put this line up here last time, and you know, when it was having this pullback, and you can see here it was slowly climbing up here towards this line. So if it can manage to close above 0.88 up here, I think it just might, you know, continue towards the upside. So XRP definitely looks bullish up here. Unfortunately, it has resistance. It's just above it. Up here, that's a resistance. That's big. 83 is a big resistance. It's a 20 moving average, so it needs to break that, of course. There's a lot of reasons. This is the problem with these you know, recovery moves, because there is so much resistance on the upside. But 883 down here, that's resistance. If you can manage to get above that, between these two, there is not much on the weekly time frame. So you know, it can go all the way up to something like 94, 95. But I would say these two are like most important resistances right now. I'm good, Box. Thanks. Hope you're fine as well. Yeah, I'm doing fine. You know, I was out, you know, kicking the snow butt a little bit. So you know, I thought I don't have much to do right now. Kids are asleep, so I thought let's do a live stream. Check what's interesting on the charts. Audio is doing 27% towards the upside today, but you know, it just got overextended on the downside. You know, a nice pump towards the upside. It doesn't look bullish. Fear also have a nice move towards the upside, but you know, it just been bleeding forever. Let's see here. OGN also has a huge pump towards the upside. This was a huge pump on OGN, almost 200% towards the upside. That's insane. That's 3x from the bottom to the top. Origin protocol. What's this? SRM getting above this 10 moving average. Nice move. Let's check out GSME a little bit. Right now it's minus 1.4. Yesterday we were looking at GSME and we called top up here. And we said it can definitely do something like this up here and then continue down. It is doing that, so over here it might be the top right now. The question is, will it hold this trend line? You can see the trend line. This is the trend line, right, on GSME. Right now it's coming there. If it breaks the trend line, it's done. That means this will be the top. But you know, how much from the where we call the top was 20% more towards the upside. But right now it's almost at where we call the top. Not that exciting though. Not that exciting. Let's see what's happening in the world of tweets. Did you ape into ape? I had to apologize in my last XRP video because I was getting too excited about XRP daily buy and go to the beach. Effing let's party. Let's crypto change your life. Vitalik, the quote tweets on the new Time article about me are truly amazing. I've never seen a face observing or being shoved into a locker in my time. This is cruel. This guy looks like a clone. Ah, don't do that, man. Geniuses are often rejected by society. Well, if you do this with the pizza, then you know, I would probably do it twice, but you know, he figured out, you know, people figure out how to do it, you know, 2 pizzas in one go. Yeah, sex is great, but have you ever heard about Casta app? How is Casta app doing right now? Casta app, Casta, it's just Casta. -3% today, all time. It's still bleeding on the downside. It looks like it's finding some kind of bottom here around 3, so you know, that might be nice. Let's see if Casta is on trading view. Casta is on trading view. USD coin quick swap. Let's go to the daily time frame. Logarithmic regular. It had a nice pump up here from yeah, 100% was up. It's still being on the downside, still breaking this on the downside. So Casta app is still definitely some kind of downtrend happening right now. Still in a downtrend. Still in a big downtrend. I'm gonna say this might have been some kind of, you know, big move. If it can manage, you know, to do a nice move up here, you know, we'll get excited about Casta app. But you know, Casta app is not doing very well right now. And I just found out they didn't actually release the app just yet. They Casta app. They didn't release Casta app yet. Send Instagram for free. Join the waitlist. So they managed to, you know, push out the coin tokens and stuff like that without actually app. And it's just an app, so I don't know why they're using so much time, you know, creating this app, because it's just taking way too long time. I mean, they got everything running and nice, you know, so I think it's a bad idea to, you know, release the token before the app. But maybe, you know, there was some, you know, maybe there was some thoughts behind that. I don't know. Just me. Let's question Casta. Let's go back to Twitter and see if people are saying anything else exciting about stuff. Martini guy, stores value, altcoin changes lives. This is right. I mean, Bitcoin can, you know, can give you like 2x, 3x, right? But you know, altcoins can give you 10, 100x, right? So there is always that. Everybody gonna be Wojak. Please, brother, take a look at Moon River. Everybody's looking at Jasmine lately. I haven't heard of it until 2 days ago. Means I should probably spot. I heard about Jasmine when it was coming towards the top up here. So you know, we start following Jasmine up here. Everybody was, you know, it had a big move towards the upside. So you know, I heard about somebody up here. I told people like, hey man, this doesn't look, you know, it can probably down here as well. I don't know. You know, we're telling people, you know, these stops looks, you know, scary up here. Probably calling some kind of top up here. But you know, nobody heard about Jasmine until this happened, right? And after that happened, Jasmine had a big move on the downside. Jasmine had a huge big move on the downside, like 96.7%, you know, bleed on the downside. That's insane. So all of these people up here got below where, you know, everybody got back to the bottom, right? Back to the bottom. So right now it's having this big move towards the upside, but I don't believe it. And you know, anything that bleeds 96.7%, when, you know, good coins bleed 70%. So this is, you know, it just shows lack of, you know, trust from the community in the coin. Good morning. In the past 5 days, Bitcoin is up 13%. Bitcoin to 50,000 by end of March. Crypto rover knows what's up. Look at this, the moon. I don't know why racing for charity. So the moon is, you know, shelling his stuff, adding demo examples on all dogs for. Expect to see this level act as a magnet throughout the weekend. The gap, CME gap. I don't believe in gaps, man. There's a CME gap at 41,870. Let's check the CME gaps. A long time since we actually did that. Oh, where do we have a gap up here? Do we have any kind of gap? There is no gaps on the upside. Do we have any kind of gap on the downside? There is a gap up here. No, this gap is closed with this week on the downside. There is a gap around 25,000 though. There is a gap on 25,000. And also down here. I know this gap down here at 9,000 because, you know, I was waiting for this to get closed, but this thing never got closed. Also, we got gap at 25,000, so, you know, a lot of people are probably, you know, believing in gaps right now and thinking that this is gonna come down and close this gap. I don't believe in CME gaps. You know, F me over once, you know, you're not gonna F me over again. The Living Monk, Hare Krishna. Oh, hi man, how you doing? You changed the name, nice. The Living Monk. So the Living Monk is back. Capman is back. I see a lot of, you know, old faces back in crypto. So, you know, maybe there is some kind of, you know, bullishness going on in the market right now. So people are seeing capital like 9K. I guess we gonna dump forever. Yeah. Everdome analysis, please. It's trading on OKX. Yeah, I did. The Living Monk. That's nice. What do you think people is comparing it from Amazon? What do you think people comparing it from Amazon? What do you mean by that? Interesting sentence, but CME. So we don't believe in CME gaps anymore. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. So Ethereum looks bullish. Okay, let's check out what's, you know, Coin Telegraph. What does Coin? Do we have any kind of new news? NFT collection brought to life at SVX Doodles and Fluff World. Binance tells regulars it will cease operation in Ontario for real this time. 1 million rock NFT sells for a penny in all or nothing error. It's hard rock life for one crypto user. A clumsy keystroke in an action of a sniper bot caused $1 million mistake on March 10. A rock valued at 444 Ether or 1.2 million sold for 444 VEI. So a bot as a seller, Dino dealer, confused VEI and ETH. In a tweet, the seller said, "In one clip, my entire net worth of $1 million is gone. How's your week, man?" Oh my god, this is bad, man. He sold thing for 444 VEI instead of Ether, so $1. Bot sniped it in the same block and trying to flip for 234 ETH. In one clip, my entire net worth is gone. Is there any hope? Am I gonna make it? Can sniper show mercy? I mean, when you are selling this rock over here for $1 million, I mean, I don't know. Ether rock. Somebody should make polygon rocks. They should probably do well as well. I'm also growing my beard like you very slowly, but aren't monks like, you know, very clean shaven? If you're gonna look at monks, you know, all monks are clean shaven. See, all are clean shaven. There is no monk with a beard, man. You're gonna be first monk with a beard. That's gonna be, you know, the new trend. So let's monk with beard. There is one monk with a beard. Maybe this is a monk. I mean, there are a couple of monks with beards, but you know, they're old guys. They're old guys. So I'm guessing you are old. You're getting up there. You're getting up there in the age group. You know what this means? No, I don't know what this means. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. You know, people have been talking about Ethereum, you know, the flippening. I think there is still a web page up here. the flipping. I don't know if the page is still up. The flipping watch Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the page. Flipping 44.6% in market cap. So it's still got, and trading volume 60.3% to go. Mining reward, but it is getting more mining reward than Bitcoin. So the flippening, what is the flippening? The flippening is where people, you know, are expecting Ethereum to surpass Bitcoin. So right now, you know, Ethereum market cap is 353 billion, while, you know, Bitcoin is 793 billion. That's 44.6 of Bitcoin. So, you know, it still has 55.4% to go before, you know, it surpasses Bitcoin on the market cap. And the trading volume right now, it's 15 billion, right? Bitcoin is traded at 25 million, that's 60.3. But this trading volume is only 24-hour trading volume. Is not really that interesting, so nobody's actually caring about this, because, you know, if Ethereum is going a little bit, you know, is a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin, it, you know, on day-to-day basis, this can actually change. The same as mining reward, it can go up and down, you know, so these two doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is this one up here. That's the market cap, and right now market cap is, you know, it's still got like more than 50% go to, you know, catch up with Bitcoin. So I'm not quite sure. Do you guys think, you know, Ethereum will ever okay, later, Hare Krishna and God bless. That's why I'm living. I'm a living monk. Confucius had a beard. Tila, put a granny hat. Nah, man, we don't do that over here. So it's still got 54%, something like that, you know, to get to the flipping. Ethereum, man, Ethereum. How's Ethereum doing? Like, you know, this is Ethereum. It's still got this, you know, the same type of triangle that Bitcoin has. So let's just remove this line up here for a little bit so we can see this nicely. At least that's how we drew it. And Ethereum got something like this up here. All good on that, but we are not out of the triangle yet. It looks like it's gonna take a little bit while. If you just look at Ethereum, this looks like it's gonna consolidate up here and then break towards the upside, right? Hopefully that's the case right now, because every time we can be consolidating on the downside, right? We can be consolidating down here. So hopefully right now we can consolidate up here and then, you know, make a move towards the upside. That's what I'm looking at right now. But, you know, it's quite boring, you know, as long as you have these triangles until you exit the triangle, you know, it's boredom time. It's boredom time. What about the moons? I don't think they are working anymore. Of course they are working, man. Of course the moons are working. We did an analysis on the moons like 2 days ago, something like that. We had the moon phase. You see here we have been, you know, looking at the moons, and this is the full moon, this is the new moon, so dump moon and pump moon. But see the new moon in the downtrend, new moon has actually just been kicking us sideways. You see we got this full moon and it's just kicking us sideways, right? It's only this moon up here that's been, you know, pushing us on the downside, but every other moon has been kicking us. Even this moon down here, it looks like we dumped, but we recovered before we came to the new moon, right? So it kicked us sideways. And right now this looks like this new moon, this latest full moon that started on the 18th, meaning yesterday, this looks like it just might, you know, bounce us towards the upside. So that's nice. That's nice. We are hoping for the best, right? We are hoping for the best. Never disrespect the moon. Yeah, never disrespect the moon. So what more is happening on the... Yeah, so this guy lost a billion, man. A million. That hurts, man. Hello sir, can you return the ETH rock? I made a huge mistake, your bot sniped it up the same block as my transaction, sir. Can you cannot return, man. This is crypto space. Nobody's gonna return you, I mean, a rock worth million because, yeah, okay, you made a mistake. You effed up, man. You effed up. You need to learn the hard way. You know how things work in this space. Bitcoin 40k on balance as well in hints. Australian competition regularly takes method court or fake crypto ads. Well, that's good. Fake is fake. Bitcoin beats owning coin stock by 20 since Coinbase IPO. How is Coinbase doing, by the way? Coinbase global. Well, let's see it here. Wow, this is terrible. Coinbase is down like a big time. this Coinbase. I remember, you know who Andre Jin is, you know, the guy from YouTube, the influencer, talks all the, you know, he bought up here around 400. He had a chance to exit up here, he didn't. And right now, whatever he bought is down like 50%. So the question is, will this go towards the upside? I think it will go towards the upside as soon as we get another bull run. Unfortunately, this looks like chart of any kind of downtrend right now, and we are still not out of this downtrend. Do we have any kind of divergence down here? No divergence or anything like that. No bullish cross yet. It's gonna take a while. It can take a while. Do we have divergences up down here? Yeah, small divergence up here, but it's already played out. On the upside, no divergence. We'll see. This guy is the 1 second chart mess. Yeah, but right now the charts are going a little bit slow, so there is no excitement about that. I think Coinbase is down because they joined in on Russian sanctions. Cleanbase? What's Cleanbase? You think Coinbase? It's because I don't have anything on Coinbase except the tokens they give away. Coinbase is actually a good thing, guys. You don't understand how good the Coinbase. It's not good for me and you, right? But for new people that want to join, you know, if they go on Binance, they get like, they look at Binance, you know, they go to Binance, right? Here's the Binance, and they see all of these, you know, buttons and price and amount and market and limit and stop and buy and sell, and they margin up here, and they don't know what they are gonna click, you know. They're like, oh man, what's happening? Like all of these coins, oh, what's this? Like it's too much. It's too much for new people. This is too much for new people, and Coinbase is very, very nice, very user friendly, we say. So you got like buy, sell, I want to buy this, I want to buy, sell, you know, like 4 buttons on the entire page. And that's what Coinbase is for. It's for, you know, getting adoption from the new users so they can use you know, crypto and buy and sell crypto. So it's very good. But for traders, you know, I mean, the exchange is terrible, right? Nobody does anything on Coinbase besides, you know, using it, you know, as a fiat gateway. So there is that. Yeah, Coinbase is friendly to new folks for crypto, and we need new people for super pump so they can support our exit liquidity. Exactly, man. You got it right. You got it right. So, you know, I got no problem with Coinbase, man. I love Coinbase. My first account was Coinbase, then I realized I can't sell. It's rubbish. Everybody's first account is Coinbase, and then they move over to Binance, and then, you know, Bybit, and then they lose all money, and then they are like, okay, let's go back to fiat. Did we break the triangle to the upside? I don't think so. Like over here it looks like we did break, but there is not much motion going on, and we got this 100 moving average right above us. So I've been looking at the triangles a little bit, and I think this is more correct triangle from what I can tell. Bottom support up here, resistance up here, you know, 2 fails up here. You can see here the wick up here. This is a little bit tricky to analyze, but you know, it does seem to, this you know, resistance line does seem to be legit, and you know, I don't know any other. You can join something like this up here, but it does seem to be this one as well. I mean, this might also be very nice. You can see here 1 touch, 2 touch, then, you know, support touch, resistance touch. Like it does seem to be a legit line. And this looks like it broke on the upside, but it needs to get above this 100 moving average. So I would say it needs to get up here, and also it needs to get up above, what's that, 44.4 level up here. So it needs to do another move towards the upside. That's, you know, be quite decent. That's something like 6-7% towards the upside. You can do another 6-7% towards the upside and stay above there. That's what I'm looking for. Everything until we get above this line up here. It really doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. I mean, you can have a fake cut up here and then right back down again. So, but it does look a little bit bullish. It does look a little bit bullish. I never hear much talk about Bitstamp. What do you think of that platform? Never used it. Cannot say anything about it. I don't see any kind of excitement from it. Hello from Greece, Barata. Hello, man. How you doing? How you doing? So, yeah. What's this day? Today is Saturday, so most things are closed. How did... Oh my god, stock market is pumping. stock market is pumping. Unfortunately, it only pumped to the resistance up here. This week stock market pumped like 5-6%. From the bottom is actually pumped, you can actually, you know, down here 6.57%. S&P 500 also. Wow, this actually broke the downtrend. S&P broke the downtrend, but Dow Jones did not. Dow Jones is still on the on these moving averages up here. So the question is, are we gonna, you know, see a move up here and continue towards the upside? If that happens, man, if that happens, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. If we bounce up here above these moving averages up here, and then go above, you know, all-time high 36,000 up here, and then continue pumping towards the upside, that's gonna be insane. But I think this resistance up here is pretty legit right now. Let's see if there is any divergence up here. Yeah, so we already have bearish divergence up here. So this is going towards the upside. This is going a little bit towards the upside. Sorry, this is going towards the downside. This is hidden bearish divergence or bearish divergence. It's bearish divergence. Whether it's hidden or not doesn't matter. So we already got, so but if it continues going up next week, this will correct itself, so there will be no divergence. But if it starts just going down here next week, you know. Awesome live, just joining from South Korea, where I'm not allowed to buy any more crypto as a foreigner. Maybe it's for the best. How's that working out? They just banned all foreigners. They just banned all foreigners to buy crypto. Why? What's the deal with that? Like, you come to Korea, you cannot buy crypto. What's up with that? Can normal people buy crypto can Koreans buy crypto in Korea? Stocks are popping because investors know the Fed isn't serious about tightening. We may see another bull market. I take today 111 April. We'll see if they go to 30 bucks. Also 30 sold both. Hope go up a bit also. I hope for your sake it does that. I've been just telling you, right now there is too much euphoria in ape, so somebody is definitely gonna take profits. It's at 4 billion market cap already at 12 bucks, so to double that and go to like 24, 25 bucks, it's gonna go 8 billion market cap. Can you do that? Of course you can do that, but I think there's just a little bit too much euphoria because there is not many coins right now doing good. So anything that does good, people are hyper focused on that. My cards are blocked because they are gambling and speculative websites. Koreans can still buy crypto on Korean websites, but I can't. Oh, okay. So they are regulating everything outside Korea, and then they're like allowing their own exchanges. Yeah. So it might be just our exchanges are good, outside are not. So. Sucks, man, but like you say, maybe it's for the best. Devt. I'm gonna check something up here because a guy, Devt, crypto, Devt, Docker, Ethereum. Psh, not gonna talk about that, man. Fundamentals review. We don't do fundamentals, man. We don't do fundamentals on this. We don't do. But might be looking for some kind of support down here, but yeah, it looks like some kind of support down here at the bottom of it. I mean, this has been going on since January. I mean, if it starts falling below this, right? This engulfing is up here. It's already below it. It's still getting kicked on the downside. Doesn't have enough data. It just pumped too much. That went up 2000%, 21x. Of course, people are gonna sell. We will go to the moon, folks. Of course we will go to the moon. Of course, we will go to the moon. sleeping. Cointelegraph. BlockFi commercial unauthorized access to client data hosted on HubSpot. Client data. Unauthorized. This is nice way to say, hey man, we've been hacked. BlockFi confirms, look here. BlockFi confirms unauthorized access to client data hosted on HubSpot. It's not unauthorized access, he hacked. BlockFi got hacked. They're trying to, you know, not use the word hacked. People gonna get wrecked. Europeans, regulation on digital assets, where do we stand? The MiCA regulation of European Union is getting specific regulation for crypto assets and harmonized across. Real health benefits become when medicine and the metaverse collide. Medicine and metaverse. How are you gonna put medicine in the metaverse? I don't get it. I don't get it. Opinion. Real health benefits will come when medicine and metaverse will collide. I don't think so, man. I don't think so. Maybe some, you know, not even psychologically. Not even psychologically. I don't see that. Nah, there are no news right now. I don't see anything right now that's happening. If you guys know about any news, you know, I'm willing to listen to that, but it doesn't seem that interesting at all. KDI. By the way, Phantom did a nice move towards the upside. Nah, it's still bleeding below downside. Nice move, but nah. I'm afraid to touch Phantom because Phantom is, you know, lost the devs, so I'm not quite sure what the sentiment is around that. KDA. Oh, Kadena is actually... Kadena might actually pop up here. It looks very nice. So it's either gonna break on down. It's either gonna break on downside or pop towards the upside. But it looks like it's getting ready. Kadena might be getting ready. How are we gonna draw this? Now we already got the resistance up here. So it is very close. Like only 8% towards the upside. And if it starts going up here, right? If it breaks all this, you can expect it to go like 30% to like these moving averages up here. The question is, will it break the downtrend? Will it break this downtrend on the downside, right? That's the question. See here, so you know, right now it doesn't have anywhere to go, and this is legit downtrend. This is legit. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes like less than a week to decide the direction up here. Less than a week. When moon, the cup and handle still valid. What's batch man? How you doing? By the way, batch, what time frame is that cup and handle on? I forgot. So KDI might be nice, nice long up here. Might do nice and long. What time frame did we call that up here? Was it 15-minute chart or something like that? One hourly chart, 4 hourly, daily. Bitcoin on daily? Daily, Bitcoin. There is no cup and handle on the daily. I don't remember where you talked about that, because I don't see cup and handle. This 4 hourly might have been cup and handle, right? It's too small. Because it just went down and up here. Add a 5+ in June. Right now 0.8. Good luck with that prediction. I hope it works out for you, but FTM still works, kind of like XRP without Ripple. It can work without devs. No clue, man. But you know, XRP is only a coin, you know, so it's very easy to keep it going. There is no updates that you need to do to, you know, change it and stuff like that. But you know, with Phantom, you know, contracts, stuff like that, like you need development all the time. It still got devs, it just lost, you know, top devs. Still, I check BTC on the 4-hour time frame. Is that a bull flag I'm seeing? 4-hourly time frame, so you're thinking about this up here as a bull flag. This might have been a bull flag, right? Towards the upside. This might have been a bull flag, right? But this up here, it's it looks like some kind of consolidation up here. It's not a flag. This might have been a flag. Yeah, so give or take. This might have been a flag, but over here it's not a flag, it's just consolidation up here. It's nice consolidation indeed. Maybe it was a few days ago. Maybe, I don't see it. I don't see the cup handle right now. Bitcoin pumpy pump. Soon, man, soon. Okay guys, it's been 40 minutes. I got some other stuff to do. I just want to do, you know, live stream, you know, pop-up live stream. Why not? There is so little excitement about everything right now. There is so little excitement about everything. Is there anything else that time? Is S2FX still valid? Isn't S2FX stock to flow cross model live chart? Well, if it is, we are at the bottom. We are in this, you see it's starting to become green. So, you know, it's green. It's blue and it's starting getting red and orange. I mean, you think after blue, you know, comes, you know, yellow, the red, and then orange. Why do they mess the colors so much? So we are getting into this green area where, you know, but over here was green as well, so. They're just models, guys. They're just models. They don't have to, you know, they don't have to be right. Stock to flow model, we should be around 260 bucks, so we are not even close to that, but you know, it went up there and right now went sideways up here. So maybe, you know, stock to flow model is a little flawed. I don't know. That has to do with halvings. According to him, stock to flow is still valid because it hasn't deviated more than 2 standards deviation from projection, but I think he's clinging to that theory in my opinion. It might be that, like, there are theories, some theories are good, some theories are not. Like the future will show whether, you know, it's good or not. The future will show if whether this, because it looks like it's already curving down. So I don't. It is going a little bit too steep towards the upside. I don't believe it's just gonna, you know, continue to, if it can do that. I'm not gonna say anything, like, I don't know. Plan B was wrong. Yeah, he was wrong 2 times right now, so you know. Oh man. Anyways, guys, thanks for stopping by. We're done with the stream. I'm gonna do other stuff. Maybe have a, you know, evening stream, you know, so make sure to, you know, hit the notifications button. It's been right for years. When did he come out with the, you know, the model? Take care, Tiela. Good to see you still doing your thing. I'm gonna try doing my thing, man. Anyways, guys, cheers. Bye bye. Have a nice day. It's sunny outside, so you know. If you are somewhere where it's sunny outside, get out there, you know, get some D vitamin, you know, it's gonna help you, you know, with your health. you know, your mood is gonna rise. So, you know, try to get a little bit sun, guys. Okay.